episode number 19 of the 6 minutes and race drawing challenge.
Yes, how are you doing with this challenge? Are you excited about this? How have it been until now? 18 days of the challenge, right? 18 drawings. Have you done 18 drawings yet? Have you been doing 6 minutes every single day? No, Parikshet has not been doing. But have you been doing it? No? No worries. But it should have been your 18th drawing, isn't it? Let's get started with episode number 19. And do not forget to see the shout out that we have given to in this video. The profile that we have given a shout out to by the end of the video. And yes, if you comment in the section below, you or your profile gets the next shout out.
Yes, and do not skip your drawings.
Yeah, do not skip the drawings. Let's get started with the episode number
19.
Episode number 19. And what is this episode 19 all about? It's going to be about the cartoon characters, right? Let's draw maybe 2 or 3 cartoon characters, okay? Yeah, that would be fun. Let's start with the eyes.
Wait, I wanted to. Okay, I'll just choose another one.
Let's do it like this time.
That will be difficult.
This would be easier. Yeah, let's do it this time.
You have to make very, very small ones.
You have to make let's make the specs. How do we make these specs? Like this.
I need this one. Wait a minute.
That's easy. These are the specs, right?
Yes. And tomorrow we are traveling.
Where are you traveling?
To Phuket.
Phuket.
Yes.
Your vacations.
Yes. Can I see?
Yeah. That's the nose. And that's the eyeballs. Okay.
Okay.
Does this look like a cartoon yet?
Nope, but it will look
It
like.
will look like one.
His nose is very funny.
Yeah. Okay. The hairs. That's the face is done.
How did you do that so fast?
That was easy.
No, it was not for me.
It was easy.
It was not for me. It will be very easy for me too.
Okay. The legs.
Can I see it? And the hair looks very funny. Isn't it, Rafa?
The first cartoon is done.
No, it's
Now let's finish it off.
not. It's not mine. Mine is not done.
Let us give it the finishing touches. The first cartoon is done.
No, mine is not.
What's the next one?
Wait.
That's gonna be a very easy and fun one. Going to try? Let us see what is going to be the next one.
Wait.
A very easy one. I'll show you which one. Let's so. We do it like this. Just check it out. A big one, okay? A triangle. We make a triangular shape. This is the triangle shape. This is one side of the triangle. This is the other side. And this is the other side.
I know.
Looks like a triangle?
Almost.
Almost. Okay. Here we have the ears. Here we have the funny ears. And here we have the cartoons, eyes.
Have you guys seen this cartoon? I have not.
Okay. And the face. And we are done. Was this not super easy?
Very difficult.
What easier than this in this 6 minutes, 100 days challenge, right?
Yes.
Couldn't have an easier cartoon. The best part are the ears, isn't it?
Yes.
Looks like he's on the sea beach. Well, this cartoon is done. And with this cartoon, we are almost done with episode 19. But as promised, let us see this video's shout out. Let us see which profile got featured in this shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag us at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share.
Okay, now that we are back with the shout out, congratulations to whoever got.
The shout out.
Yeah.
And look what I added.
I hope you enjoyed this.
Look what it.
Wow, let me also do that. Try. It's good. Okay, so we are done with episode number 19. I hope you are enjoying this. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell and share. Let us know what you want us to sketch next. Yeah? Have an amazing day. Do not forget to see these two videos. Bye-bye.